Hi, today we'll learn about addition. What is addition? Addition is adding numbers together or add different items together. You add when you count. This is plus sign we use for addition. This is equal. Equal means the result of the counting. Let's learn with some examples. This is one rabbit. Let's call another rabbit. Now, how many rabbits you can see here? Yes, 2 rabbits. So now, let's see this in number. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's try some more examples. Oh wow, 2 ducks. Let's add one more duck with them. So 2 plus 1, how many ducks? Yes, 3 ducks we can see. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's see next example. You can see 3 fingers. Now show me your 3 fingers. Yes, hold on. Now add 1 finger. So how many fingers you can see now? Yes, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Let's see our next example. Suppose you have 3 candies. And now I give you 2 more. Then how many candies do you have? Yes, 5 candies. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's see next example. Oh wow, ice creams. Suppose you have 3 ice creams with you and your mama give you 3 more. Now count the ice creams and tell me how many ice cream do you have now? Yes, 6 ice creams. Very good. Now it's time for home task. You solve this addition and show it to your parents. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure you give it 2 thumbs up and subscribe to the Kids World for more fun-loving videos. Now goodbye.